In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interactive brokers to MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable path to stream data and place trades in MT5 using your interactive brokers account. We'll start on the interactive broker side. Open Trader Workstation or IB Gateway. From the top menu, go to File, then Global Configuration. In the left panel, choose API, then Settings. Enable ActiveX and Socket clients so external apps are allowed to connect. If you plan to place orders and not just view quotes, make sure Read-Only API is unchecked. For a smoother experience, add your computer's IP address to the Trusted IPs list. On a single machine setup, that's typically 120.0.0.1, which means this computer. This helps prevent repeated confirmation prompts and reduces failed connections. When you're done, apply the changes and keep TWS or Gateway running in the background while you connect from MT5. Next, move to MetaTrader 5. Open MT5 and go to Tools, then Options. Open the Expert Advisors tab. Check Allow DLL Imports, since most bridge tools rely on DLL access to communicate with interactive brokers. If your bridge prompts for web access, also check Allow Web Request for listed URL and add the same IP you used in TWS. Again, 127.0.0.1 is common for a local setup. Click OK to save. If you've changed these settings for the first time, a quick restart of MT5 can help the bridge load cleanly. Because MT5 doesn't natively connect to interactive brokers, you'll need a third-party bridge. Choose a reputable bridging application that supports MT5 on one side and interactive brokers on the other. Install it and follow the vendor's instructions carefully. Each bridge has its own layout for host, port, and authorization. When prompted, sign in with your interactive broker's credentials inside the bridge so it can authenticate to your account. Then point the bridge to your MT5 terminal as instructed by the tool. Keep both MT5 and TWS or Gateway open during this process. A few tips to keep things stable. Paper trade first to confirm quotes, order routing, and symbol mappings behave as expected. If the bridge can't connect, double check that the API is enabled in TWS, that the IP you allowed in both apps is identical, and that any protective prompts in TWS are approved. Also ensure your system clock is accurate. Time mismatches can cause authentication issues. That's it. With TWS or Gateway configured, MT5 set to allow DL and web request, and a properly installed bridge, your platform should communicate smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy trading.